Today I'll teach you guys how to make this single-sided origami shuriken. This is different from the one that was on our channel a few weeks ago because this one is single-sided and the other one is double-sided. You need to know this model well to make this, which I'll be teaching in an upcoming video. This is a double ninja star that transforms. To start making this model, you'll need half a sheet of printer paper. To start, fold it in half. And crease sharply. Now, cut or tear it off. Yeah, cut or tear it in half. Now fold the bottom to the top. Fold it in half, like this. Now take the other sheet of paper and complete the same. Now you want to fold this edge into the center. And fold this edge down. And complete the same here. Now flip them both over and fold the bottom to here. Same with this side and the other model. Now fold it like this. And here too. Now take both of your models and put one on top of the other like this. Now take the bottom one, fold it like that. Now you want to take this one, fold it inside like that. Again, take this flap and fold it under that one. Finally, take this flap, fold it on top of this one and underneath here. so it looks like this. Now you've completed your origami shuriken.